How to share Wi-Fi password on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First thing, go ahead and open the Passwords application on your device. Passwords is an inbuilt application provided by Apple. So once you have opened the application, you will be required to enter your Face ID or passcode in order to unlock the app. Once unlocked, go ahead and enter and tap on the Wi-Fi option you see there and scroll through and navigate to the Wi-Fi account whose password you are looking forward to see. Once open, you will see the option for Show Network QR code. Tap on that, and with this, you can share the Wi-Fi password from here, or you can also simply tap on the passwords option there, and then they can read out the password and copy it on their mobile. So this was about how you can share Wi-Fi password on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.